Guess what? As I told you previously, I'm with Eugenia and we met in her hometown. This is really amazing and I can't believe it. We are going to her mother's play.
Yeah, my mom today has a performance. She's an actress, as I previously said in previous videos. So we are going to watch my mom's playing, and Ira, since she met my mother, she wanted to go to the performance where my mom playing. So now it's happening. And actually we are standing near the oldest church, cathedral in town Dniprodzerzhinsk. It was built by Polish people that came here to build a plant, industrial plant that made actually this town a town and not the village. So this is actually amazing inside. And now we will go further and see old buildings that was built for rich people in the beginning of 20th century.
So the foreigners who came here to build buildings.
Engineers, architects from abroad, they also needed to stay somewhere, and
so you can tell that foreigners had a strong impact in Ukraine historically
and architecturally also.
So this is second air raid siren that we are hearing. The first one when I just arrived to the town, and yeah, I guess I don't know if the play will happen now because of the siren. Because of the siren, the play is getting delayed, and so we went to a buffet, just like an old, I don't know, style, and yeah.
Actually, they have a bunker inside the theater, and in case of danger, if they say that's a rocket attack, missile attack, we will go to the bunker. Now maybe this is provincial air alert. It's not, maybe this is Belarusian jet flight.
Taking off, and
we will check in the internet.
yeah, we have a text message Viber system. Viber, yeah, Telegram system.
Why the air alert has started.
Yeah, and the areas which are attacked. Eugenia, what is this play about?
This play is about...
And what is called?
Yes, it's called "За двома зайцями." This is an idiom in English: if you chase two rabbits, you will catch neither. So it's about the guy who wanted to marry one rich woman because of her like money, but he was actually the womanizer, and he met one evening the cute girl, very beautiful, but she has no money. So and he decided also to date with this young woman and with another woman. So he wanted to sit one ass on two chairs, and all this comedy is about the situation that this guy wanted to sit two chairs, but payback will catch him. Actually,
This is a plot line from my childhood. We were raised with it, but I just didn't watch this movie, and so for me it will be new.
yeah. We have a movie also from Soviet Union about this play, yet I believe that in theater it will be accepted more organically, because it was written as a play from the first side, not as a movie but as a play. So we hope that Air Alert will finish and we will watch it.
Yes. Thanks for explaining.
Такого немає.
Та той же самий Голохвостий сьогодні вінчається з нашою кроною.
Що ти? Невже?
Хіба не бачите, які тут до весілля прибори йдуть?
Here are a few more Ukrainian words to build your vocab. Вистава, вистава, a play. Театр, театр, theater. Кіно, кіно, movie. Пішли в кіно. Пішли в кіно. Let's go to the movie. Пішли в театр. Пішли в театр. Let's go to the theater. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel.